I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're in the beautiful outdoors, you never know what you're going to run into. So that's why my husband really appreciated this MAGCOMSEN men's raincoat. This is such a beautiful color of red, which is really good because when you are exploring the outdoors, anything can happen. And if you are ever in danger and need rescuing, it's really nice to have something that is easily seen. What I also appreciated were the pockets. It's got a left breast pocket that goes in really deep. You can fit a lot of things in it. The pockets up top, of course, zip up so it doesn't allow any water to get in there. You can put your phone, anything that you want to protect from rain, or we were actually hiking near a waterfall and the mist was intense. It has really nice elastic tabs that you can use to tighten the hood around your face. And I also appreciate that you're able to completely take the hood off. Again, if you are needing to be rescued, anything like that, it's nice to maybe not have to take off the entire jacket. You can take off the hood and put it in a easy to see location so that any rescuers can come to your aid. Your man will not only be protected from the elements, but look good while he's doing it. And that's my point of view.